Hey, what's up, welcome back to the channel. This is the product I got today. So these are the Bluewow earbuds. I will show you that this is the little card Bluewow gave us, and this is thanks Bluewow for sponsoring this video. And I will tell you about these earbuds, if they are good or not. So the packaging is pretty good. It's very nice, this bag. Let's unbox this and see. Okay, so here is the user guide. So these are Bluewow BW205, and okay, this is the instructions, and here are these. So the packaging is quite nice, feels very premium actually. Okay, so these are the wow, they look very premium and feel very good also. So these are the earbuds. They look just like the AirPods, new AirPod 3s, I think. Yeah, they look just like them, and quite look alright. Actually, feels they are very light. This is quite nice thing, very light and look good. So this is a light. You can clearly see that. Overall, nice packaging. And what's this? This is the charging cable only. So these are the Type C version, which is very nice. Type C, very nice. So let me quickly just test the sound quality, Bluetooth connectivity settings and everything, then I'll get back to you. Okay, I have tested these earbuds and they're very nice actually. But the thing is, some people prefer these, the AirPods 3 type style. You can see that for some people these fit in their ears very beautiful and very fit, but in some people like me, they are a little bit difficult to put, and they are a little bit not very fixed in your ear. So that's something you need to know. First, check these. If you like these type of earbuds, then just go ahead, buy these. I've tested is also very good, and also the sound quality is very good. Actually, it is very premium sounding, and the vocals and everything. And one main thing I want to tell you that about these, that the equalizer work very good with these. Equalizer is very good with these. When you tune the voice quality, the audio quality, then it will get the effect. It will get the effects, and not like many other that they're just not very good with the equalizer. So you can set it with how you like, and the Bluetooth connectivity is very easy and very quick. And also I have tested the Bluetooth. See, they are it is very good. The Bluetooth, you can see clearly that it is very good, and it will not disconnect easily. Even if you are in the other room, it will not disconnect easily. The Bluetooth connectivity is very good, and overall the size and the weight is very good, that you don't even feel like you are wearing them, which is very good thing. So I think Bluewow is just amazing for us to give these and sponsoring this video. Thank you, Bluewow. And also, if you want to buy these, you can go ahead buy from AliExpress, or if you live in a different country, then you can definitely buy it on AliExpress, or else I will link these product in the description if you say. So overall, I think these are good. I would give the sound quality about 10 out of 8, and the bass quality is also 10 out of 7, because these are not for bass actually. And for gaming experience, I want to tell you that if you want to game on these, they are very good, because the vocals and the voice quality is good. You don't need bass in gaming, you need vocals. So for vocals, these are very good. The vocals are very nice, and you can clearly hear everything. For some people, they say we need bassy and gaming. That is not a very good mixture. If you want bass, then you cannot play games very easily, because bass and vocals, they not do match very easily. So overall, for gaming, I think they are very good, and they also look very premium for holding this light gets green if you are charging it, which is very nice. So overall, I think they are very good. I have also linked another Bluewow K55 earbuds. Those are purely for gaming purposes, and if you want to see that video I will also link that in the description below. So thank you guys for watching my video, and please subscribe for more amazing and videos.